Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hi-Fi Mac. In this video, I will show you the Android screen for BMW 5 Series F07 and GT. This is latest design for the F07 and GT car model. It is new stand-up design. Here you can see there's two SD card slots. This is for SD card, and this one is 4G SIM card because this Android screen supports 4G LTE. Okay? Here. Now let us take a look for the back. This is LVDS connector and GPS antenna connect to this one, and 4G antenna connect to this, and this is the power connector, USB connector, TV in and DVR in connector here. Okay, now let us take a look for the accessories. This is the power cable. It has male connector and female connector. Here, it contains the middle speaker connector. One is in and the other one is out. Here. And here, there's connector for the backup camera. You can install normal backup camera or 316 camera here. Of course, it can support original backup camera. Here, this is the installation guide. Here, step by step. You can just follow it and install yourself. This is GPS antenna, and this one is 4G LTE antenna. There's RCA cable with TV in and DVR in here. This is USB cable. There's two USB, and here there's connector. It is for external microphone in, and this is AUX cable.